poaching at the line, trying to shift gears on McKinnon, who did a job defensively. Now across it comes to Sergachev, and Hedman in deep in front. Kuemper, no, it's in. Ondrej Palat, and Tampa Bay has the lead again.
11 career game-winning goals. It's the patience of Kucherov, though. He knows that he's got McKinnon, a forward back. A couple of close passes, down low, out high. Look at the intelligence there of Palat to get away from the traffic. Everything's going towards the net. Nichushkin goes, Makar goes, nobody grabs. Kuemper gets a piece of it with his stick, but then it goes 5-hole. As he slides across, his stick isn't anchored.